Hey bees, I'm Marie from Humblebee and Me, and today we are whipping up a batch of Summer Shimmer hair oil. This hair oil is designed to give your hair a little bit of shine, some added shimmer from the mica, and sort of smooth away any flyaways you might have. My hair is not very tolerant of oils. Using the numerical hair typing system, I'm about a 1B. So to formulate a hair oil that works for my hair, it honestly can't have all that much oil in it. In something like a leave-in hair conditioner, water serves to dilute the oil in the formulation so that you can easily spread a reasonable amount of product, so it's not just like one drop of product through your hair, and get the benefits of the oil without it making your hair look dirty. Because this is an anhydrous product, we are using some oil-soluble, really lightweight, volatile emollients instead to dilute the oil, which is argan oil, one of my favorite carrier oils, so that we can use a reasonable amount of product and distribute it through the hair easily and keep the hair light and shiny and not weighed down. In this formulation, I have used two different lightweight emollients, so there are some cyclopentasiloxane and some isododecane. If you're looking for alternatives, please make sure you're reading the blog post linked in the description box below. The shimmer in this hair oil comes from a small amount of mica, and you can feel free to choose any mica that you think will look lovely with your hair. I've included a small amount of a product called thickening clay to help keep the mica in suspension. To learn more about that and possibly find some substitutions, make sure you're, again, reading that blog post linked in the description box below. At the end of the video, I show an application demo of this oil on the skin, but now's the time to show it on my hair. So you want to grab a couple drops of product. Start with less than you think you need. It's always easy to add more. A little harder to take it away. And spread it across your palms, and then I like to just sort of broadly rake it through my hair from about the ears down. I usually tend to keep products like this away from my scalp because my scalp does a good enough job of keeping my hair nourished close to it. And that's about that. It smells really lovely. The scent is completely up to you as well, and I just love the way it makes my hair feel. All right, I think that is enough chat. Let's go make this gorgeous hair oil. We'll begin by weighing out our powdered ingredients. So in this small little 50 milliliter beaker, I've already weighed out 0.1 grams of thickening clay. And for more information on that, please make sure you're checking out the Humblebee and Me encyclopedia. Our next ingredient is the mica that we're including in this formulation. So you can see I'm using this natural yellow mica from TKB Trading, but you could use any mica that you think is going to look absolutely lovely in your hair. You'll need half a gram of whichever mica you're using. So those are our powdered ingredients. Up next, the liquid ones. So you're going to need 5.3 grams of cyclopentasiloxane or cyclomethicone and 3 grams of isododecane. And our carrier oil is argan oil. You're going to need 1 gram argan oil or a different oil that your hair loves. Our last two ingredients are our vitamin E and a fragrance or essential oil of choice. I'm using this Salty Mariner fragrance oil from Brambleberry. It's got a really nice sort of fresh, juicy scent that I like, but honestly, just choose something that you want your hair to smell like. You need 0.05 grams vitamin E and 0.05 grams of your fragrance or essential oil. To combine everything, I'm going to use this little Badger airbrush co-mixer, but you could also just hand whisk everything together. Once the mixture is uniform, you can package it up. So I'm going to be using this little 15 milliliter or half ounce glass bottle that has a dropper cap. It already has one batch of this hair oil in it that I made for the blog post. So I'm just gonna top it off with this batch that we just made. And for a bit of a demo, I'll show it on the skin here. You can definitely use this as a skin oil as well as a hair oil. So it is really, really lightweight, has absolutely gorgeous slip, feels really very expensive, and leaves just a slight hint of a shimmery sheen on the skin. And there we go. So we just made a really lovely summer shimmer hair oil. For more information on this project, please make sure you are reading the blog post linked in the description box below. There's lots of information there about how to customize this formulation, how to make substitutions, and how to adapt it if you have hair that's drier than mine, that's more tolerant of oils. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please make sure you're reading that blog post as always, and I will see you next time.